Shiromani Maharana Pratap, born on May 9, 1540, in Rajasthan's Kumbhalgarh fort, was a fearless king of the Sisodia Rajput dynasty. He never bowed to Mughal ruler Akbar, famously battling him in the Haldi Ghati War, starting on June 18, 1576. Despite being outnumbered, Pratap's valor led to Mughal defeat. Some argue he weakened, but historical evidence suggests otherwise. Dr. Chandrasekhar Sharma highlights that Akbar's strict orders to capture Pratap were not fulfilled, indicating Pratap's victory.
RKTF University.
खानदानी लुटेरों की कोशिश होगी बेकार, फिर एक बार मोदी सरकार.
Born on May 9, 1866, in Maharashtra's Ratnagiri district, Gopal Krishna Gokhale stood as a beacon of India's independence movement. A key figure in the moderate faction of the Indian National Congress, he led with dedication and principle. Gokhale's presidency in the 1905 Banaras session of Congress marked his commitment to education, and this built the foundation of Kashi Hindu University. Despite ideological differences, he championed justice, advocating for the release of fellow leaders like Lala Lajpat Rai. Establishing the Ranade Institute of Economics in 1908, he left a lasting legacy of intellectual contribution. Mahatma Gandhi revered Gokhale as his mentor and inspiration, a sentiment echoed in Gandhi's tribute, Dharmatma Gokhale. On May 9, 1960, a landmark moment occurred when the US Food and Drug Administration approved the world's first birth control pill named Innovet-10, developed by the company GD Searle. This achievement came after significant struggles led by American birth control activist Margaret Sanger, who even faced imprisonment for her cause. Sanger initiated the project in 1950 and collaborated with biologist Gregory G. Pincus to develop the oral contraceptive. Despite facing hurdles, including legal challenges and societal opposition, the FDA granted approval on October 29, 1959. Interestingly, Sanger also sought to introduce birth control pills in India and met with Mahatma Gandhi for support. But Gandhi's opposition to the pills left her efforts unfulfilled. On May 9, 1947, a pivotal moment occurred as the World Bank extended its first ever loan, marking the beginning of its mission to aid development projects in low and middle income nations. France became the recipient of this historic loan, receiving $250 million to rebuild post-World War II steel and coal plants. Founded after Bretton Woods Conference in 1944, the World Bank has remained committed to supporting global development, headquartered in Washington, America. Beyond financial assistance, the World Bank's response to crises such as the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020 highlights its enduring significance in addressing socio-economic challenges worldwide.
RKTF University.
खानदानी लुटेरों की कोशिश होगी बेकार, फिर एक बार मोदी सरकार.
On May 9, 1986, the world mourned the loss of Tenzing Norgay, a trailblazer in mountaineering in Darjeeling. His monumental achievement on May 29, 1953, alongside Sir Edmund Hillary, remains etched in history as they conquered Mount Everest, marking a historic milestone in human exploration. Mount Everest, situated in the Himalayan range between Nepal and Tibet, had remained unconquered until Norgay and Hillary's groundbreaking expedition. Their triumph on May 29 led to the establishment of International Everest Day, commemorating their unparalleled feat. Departing on May 28, 1953, Norgay and Hillary navigated perilous terrain to reach Everest summit the following day, defying odds and inspiring future generations of adventurers.